when we start working with ODI level installation, first we need to, it is not that much complexity like other Oracle Business Intelligence reporting tool installation. Installation is much more pretty faster when compared to the other installations. So it's a very lighter one, and we can do it installation on any Windows box or Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 7, everything it will support. And first we need to install Oracle 11g release to database first. For that, first we need to extract all your files of your Oracle 11g database. Then we need to right click on your setup and select run as administrator. It will open the installation wizard. We need to wait till that part. First of all, check out I wish. Now you can see here, I wish to receive security updates is checked out. Now if I click next, it will ask you the critical issues for your configuration. No problem, you can ignore it. You can just click yes. Okay. Once again you click next. Here it is a desktop class you need to select on Windows box. Just select the desktop class and click next. So here I want to install it on my F drive, or whichever drive you want to install, you need to select that one. Okay, so which drive you want to install? Let me select this one as C drive. In my C drive I want to place my database. Here you change it to Unicode. Okay, and password you can give anything. As per my usage I am giving here system, small letters, lowercase system. and click next here. Click yes to continue. Once you get this step, just click create database. It will start working. It will start preparing the installation process. We'll just wait until this installation process is get finished. It started with configuration assistant. It need to be completely finished, and after that, like, we will look into the complete installation process. We need to wait until the configuration assistant finished 100%. Then it opens the password management. We need to, if you want to unlock any users, default users which are available from the Oracle, then we will be unlocking there from the password management. Now we need to click on password management to unlock the users. That is, HR is one user we can unlock for using this data schema, and you can provide the password HR and confirm the password HR and click OK. So this is the one user we want to unlock. This is the pre-built user which is available. Using an alter command also we can unlock, or just using directly from here also we can unlock. After providing this, Click OK onto the password management and your installation will be completely finished. Now you can test your database installation by typing SQL plus. So it is connecting. It is connecting to the database. So now our Oracle 11g release to database code completely installed. Next we are going to do with repository creation utility and ODI in the next session. Thank you.